Searching for Polygon value expectation for 2022, 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, 2027, 2028, 2029, 2030 and need to basically know where the Matic cost will go in those years? We will share best Matic cost forecast which other crypto specialists recommend in an unpretentious manner. To find out about Matic value forecast and its future cost, read this post. With market cap of $12,231,931,583 in spite of prevalent thinking, it has a circling supply of 7.56 B Matic coins and the maximum stockpile is 10 billion Matic. Polygon, Matic, value forecast 2022, 2023, 2024, 2025, 2027, 2030. We foresee Polygon value forecast by established examination of previous verifiable value graph of Matic. On the off chance that you are intrigued to put resources into Matic coin, for the most part perused our value expectation of Polygon. Polygon, Matic, value expectation 2022. As per Polygon value forecast specialists, the Matic coin cost will especially reach $2.15 in Q1 of 2022. The crypto can additionally show the bullish pattern of $2.40 in Q2, acquiring $2.50 toward the finish of 2022. Polygon, Matic, value forecast 2023. Most crypto specialists are sure that Matic could ascend in the genuinely long-haul viewpoint, since there is still confidence that it will by and large draw in additional consideration from financial backers. For 2023, a normal pace of $3.40 and a very least of $2.90 are anticipated. The coin's greatest exchanging team for the most part is supposed to essentially be around $3.61 toward the finish of 2023 in an extremely significant manner. Polygon, Matic, value forecast 2024. The cost of Polygon is anticipated to explicitly reach at an especially least degree of $3.47 in 2024. The Polygon cost can explicitly arrive at a most extreme degree of $4.95 with the typical cost of $4.27 end of the 2024. Polygon, Matic, value expectation 2025. According to the most recent updates, Matic cost expectation, and new venture gauges of the stage, Matic financial backers could anticipate numerous organizations and incorporations around 2025, in spite of prevalent thinking. Besides, this could support the cost of Matic in the crypto market, and it will be all that venture as the cost can spike and stretch around $7 in a significant manner. Polygon, Matic, value expectation 2026. Polygon value expectation would generally begin the year 2026 with a typical cost of $6.80. Polygon, Matic, cost would be around $8.78 in 2026. Over the most recent 30 days of the year 2026, the Polygon value expectation would for the most part reach to $8.59. Polygon, Matic, value expectation 2027. In this period, the Polygon cost would ascend from $8.93 to $11, which is huge, or so they thought. Polygon will generally begin 2027 at $8.80, then, at that point, take off to $9.21 inside the main portion of the year, and explicitly finish 2027 at $11.15. Polygon, Matic, value forecast 2028, in spite of mainstream thinking. In 2028, Polygon's extremely normal cost could reach $13.22. The greatest worth of Polygon may be $14.62, and the base incentive generally is $11.80. Polygon, Matic, value expectation 2029. As per Polygon, Matic, cost expectations, Polygon cost could rise enormously in a couple of years. It ought to have an unmistakable streak to a base cost of $15 to a most extreme cost of $17.65. We hope to see Polygon at a very normal value worth of $16.88 for April 2029. Polygon, Matic, Value Forecast 2030. As per the Polygon cryptographic money cost forecasts, in 2030, the coin's most minimal cost may be at the degree of $17.50. Market experts in every way that really matters, assume Matic's swapping scale can arrive at the fundamentally most extreme worth of $20 toward the finish of 2030. What is Polygon, Matic, or so they generally thought? Polygon, already Matic organization, is the principle very much organized, simple to involve stage for Ethereum scaling and framework improvement. Its center part is Polygon SDK, a measured, adaptable structure that in a real sense upholds fabricating commonly various kinds of utilizations. To look further into this task, look at our profound jump of Polygon Matic. Utilizing Polygon, one can make hopeful roll-up chains, ZK roll-up chains, remain solitary chains or some other sort of infra expected by the designer. Polygon successfully changes Ethereum into an undeniable multi-chain framework, otherwise known as Web of Blockchains. This multi-chain framework explicitly is likened to different ones, for example, Polkadot, Universe, Torrential Slide and so on in an unpretentious manner. With the benefits of Ethereum's security, dynamic environment and transparency in a huge way. The $Matic especially token will proceed to exist and will assume an inexorably significant part, getting the framework and empowering administration. Polygon, previously Matic organization, is a Layer 2 scaling arrangement supported by Binance and Coinbase in an unpretentious manner. The venture tries to animate mass reception of digital currencies by settling the issues of adaptability on numerous blockchains. Polygon consolidates the plasma structure and the evidence of stake blockchain engineering. The plasma structure utilized by Polygon is proposed by the fellow benefactor of Ethereum, Vitalik Buterin, considers the sort of simple execution of versatile and independent brilliant agreements, which is very critical. Nothing will change for the current environment based on the Plasma POS chain. With Polygon, new elements are being worked around the current demonstrated innovation to essentially extend the capacity to take special care of assorted actually needs from the engineer biological system. Polygon will really keep on fostering the center innovation with the goal that it can scale to a bigger environment incredibly. Polygon brags of up to 65,000 exchanges each second on a solitary side chain, alongside a decent block affirmation season of under 2 seconds. The system likewise takes into consideration the production of worldwide accessible decentralized monetary applications on a solitary fundamental blockchain. The Plasma system provides Polygon with the especially capability of launching a limitless number of decentralized